very grateful to Allah because He has provided us the opportunity to join this nice journey. And by the grace of Almighty, we already done our journey. And I especially thank our beloved brother Amjad. And we have been introduced just before 3 days, but I feel that introduced around 2 or 3 years ago. So it was a really nice journey, and we are 5 guys. This is our beloved brother. What's your name, bro?
Kaji Nabil.
Kaji Nabil. Actually, he was the driver, but I'm just changed the place, and I'm just trying. And our brother Amjad and Dr. Mizan, one of my beloved friend. And the last one is brother Rashid. So I thank all of you to give your valuable time and for joining us in this nice journey. And now we are on the way to Medina, the blessed city of the world, the city of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And now it's 11 and 10 local time in Saudi Arabia, and hopefully we'll join Zuhur prayer in Masjid An-Nabawi.
Inshallah.
Thanks for joining us, and bye for now.